Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, error exchanging code for token with error and existing connection was forcibly closed by the remote host, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections. And now you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. And if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So right click on your network connection, go into properties. And now what you're going to do is you're going to go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in here 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, you're going to click OK on here, and then you're going to scroll down on here, and you're just going to make sure to untick or uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. So just untick this, and after that click OK on here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly, because if your date and time is set incorrectly, your computer has problems connecting to the internet. So just open up your start menu, write date and time here, select your time zone correctly. After that, click on set time automatically and come here and click sync now. And once you click sync now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play or update Hytale, you'll see that you will not get that launcher authentication failed error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.